Parba tries in 3-point area. Basket by Parba. Parba 3. Toka na Mama rin.
Fouls, wala. Rebound by Sangkutan to James. Relax muna tayo, sabi ni James. Set muna tayo. Wow, nice dribbling by James. Beautiful basket by James.
Oh. Arlet to Parba. Parba fires. Basket by Parba.
13-9. Apat na lang po kalamangan ng Jeddah Troops.
Sob lahat.
Estocapio fires. Basket by Estocapio.
Get out!
Irene. Navarro to Giga. Nice play by Panda. Finally, dumating. 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Mahilin. To Aban. Basket by Aban. Nice pass by Mahilin.
Tira din, walang puro pasa.
Amonte. Beautiful play. Center play by Jeddah Troops.
Nice play by Panda. Navarro. Basket by Navarro. To Parba. To Scarlete. Back to Parba. Parba fires. Basket by Parba. Mamamaril na naman by Kyril. Nakuha ng Scarlete. Apoy fires from the 3-point region. Tampoy 3!
19-point lead. Giga. Basket by Giga. Beautiful layup by Giga. Usangkutan. 10 to shoot.
Yuruan mo! Shot!
65 to 50. 15-point lead.
Beautiful play by Urbano.
Wala. Irene blocked by Nogalan.
Blocked by Nieto. Palitan ng supalpa.
Irene to Giga. Giga blocked by Nogalada. Mahilin.
To Aban. To Nogarada. Basket by Nogarada. 68. Basket by Parba.
Back to back basket by Parma.
Siyam na lang ang Paul na habol. Basket again by Parba. Birthday niya ngayon. Urbano. Tadik to Parba.